Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are checking out the best bed frames on Amazon. I absolutely love this one. It is the Korey model from Zinus. The Korey is a 14-inch steel platform bed frame with an upholstered headboard. You're gonna have wood support slats. It comes in a variety of sizes. You guys, Zinus, if you don't know, is an amazing brand. They make so many beds and mattresses too. So if you guys are in the market for a mattress, definitely check out their store, look around, and just upgrade your entire bedroom all at once. This steel platform bed is a great price. It gives you that added, little extra bonus headboard. It's gonna have the gray upholstery and then the steel frame on the outside and steel legs. This is a platform bed with slats. The slats are made out of wood. This means that you do not have to have a box spring. This can be better for your mattress, get a better night's sleep. And I really like just the low profile, really modern, minimalist look of the entire thing. It also saves you money because you don't have to buy a box spring. This is 14 inches off the ground, which gives you about 12 inches of clearance. So you have plenty of room to use the under bed space as extra storage. If you live in a small space, that can be really important. This is going to be really easy assembly, comes together in minutes, high quality materials, support a lot of weight. They even provide you with anti-skid pads and also foam padding to make sure that you don't get any creaks or squeaks, no noise, and no shifting of those slats. So you have the most comfortable night's sleep you can imagine, and a new bed that comes together so easy, so simply, delivered right to your door. It's that easy. You guys need to go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be super happy that you did.